welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of success and wealth. Have you ever wondered what habits of successful people set them apart? What are those successful people habits that you might already be showing? In this video, we'll explore 9 key signs that might indicate you're destined for great wealth. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready to find out how to be successful in life? Let's get into it and see if you have what it takes to potentially join the ranks of the wealthy. If you're always pushing your limits and striving to be the best in everything you do, you might be showing one of the most common traits among successful people, being an overachiever. Overachievers don't settle for mediocrity, they aim for the stars, often outperforming their peers and setting high benchmarks. This relentless pursuit of excellence is not just about working hard, it's about working smart, optimizing processes, and continually improving. It's the kind of mindset that innovates industries and creates new opportunities where none existed before. If you find yourself always looking for ways to improve and never satisfied with the status quo, you could very well be on your path to significant wealth. Think back to your younger years. Were you the kid who started a lemonade stand, or did you find ways to monetize your hobbies? Starting to make money at a young age is a huge indicator of future financial success. This sign shows entrepreneurial spirit, understanding the value of money, and the ability to spot and seize opportunities, a crucial skill set for any successful business leader or investor. Whether it was selling baseball cards, crafting at fairs, or tutoring classmates, early money-making ventures teach crucial lessons about commerce, savings, and investment that many carry into their successful adult financial strategies. Success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who act. One of the defining traits of potentially wealthy individuals is their propensity to take action. While many dream and plan, successful people move quickly to execute those plans. This proactive approach often leads to faster learning curves and a greater ability to adapt and overcome obstacles. If you're someone who believes in taking action rather than just dreaming about possibilities, you're likely setting yourself up for great achievements. This trait can catapult you into new heights in your career or business, as taking action will always put you a step ahead of those who hesitate. In a world where networking and communication are key, being outspoken can be a major asset. Those who express their ideas clearly and confidently tend to attract more opportunities. It's not just about being loud, but being able to persuasively communicate your vision and influence others. This skill is invaluable in leadership positions and when driving change within a company or industry. If you're not afraid to speak up and stand out, you're likely to be seen, heard, and remembered, attributes that can very well pave the way to wealth. Time is money, and no one understands this better than those destined for wealth. If you possess a sense of urgency in your day-to-day activities, always striving to complete tasks efficiently and ahead of schedule, you're likely harnessing a powerful success accelerator. This trait ensures you make the most out of every opportunity and don't let chances slip by. It's about prioritizing speed without compromising on quality, pushing forward relentlessly. This drive can lead to higher productivity and, ultimately, a greater chance at achieving and maintaining wealth. In a world that often focuses on earning more, those who focus on saving prove to be silently wise. If you're more interested in saving money than spending it, you're setting up a foundation for financial stability and wealth accumulation. This doesn't just mean pinching pennies, but making strategic decisions that prioritize financial security over immediate gratification. By focusing on saving, you're likely to build a substantial nest egg that can fund investments and secure your financial future, demonstrating a key trait of many successful individuals. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is crucial for long-term financial success. If you can master this discernment, you're likely well on your way to wealth. This skill helps in making wise spending decisions, avoiding unnecessary debts, and optimizing your financial resources. It's about being intentional with your expenditures, investing in things that bring value and growth. If you've got a good handle on distinguishing between what you absolutely need and what you can do without, then you're practicing one of the most effective wealth-building habits. Liking and understanding investing are not just hobbies, they are essential wealth-building tools. If you find yourself drawn to the world of stocks, real estate, or other investment opportunities, you're tapping into a powerful vehicle for wealth creation. Successful investors are not just lucky, they are informed, strategic, and patient. They understand that wealth is built over time through calculated risks and informed decisions. If investing excites you, you're likely equipped with a mindset that appreciates the value of growing your assets. a critical aspect of building lasting wealth. In an ever-changing world, the willingness to learn new and trending skills is indispensable. If you're always curious, seeking to update your knowledge base, and adapting to new technologies or methodologies, you possess a vital trait of the wealthy. This lifelong learning mindset not only keeps you relevant but also opens up new opportunities for growth and income. Whether it's learning a new programming language, understanding emerging market trends, or mastering a new investment strategy, your commitment to learning is a significant indicator of your potential for wealth. Thanks for watching. Which of these signs did you see in yourself? Do you have any other traits you believe are signs of potential wealth? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with friends who might find it insightful. If you're aiming to learn how to become a millionaire at age 20, or how to become a millionaire as a teenager, remember that each step you take builds towards that goal. Keep pushing, keep learning, and you might just find yourself living the millionaire lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to achieve financial